Good morning, everybody. Mike WX0MIK here. And what day was that? This weekend? Friday. I think it was Friday. I don't remember which day this weekend. Kind of a blur. Kind of sort of half prepping for Thanksgiving and yes, everything else that we were doing. But anyway, so my old hotspot, I finally replaced a little while ago. I took some parts from the old hotspot, put it onto a new Raspberry Pi, a Pi 2, and then WSPC or WCSP, I think it's WCSP, hotspot software I installed on that. And then I proceeded to reconfigure everything. I wanted something that my Pi Zero was getting a little not so great on keeping everything running properly, starting to glitch out and stuff. So it's time. So I installed it on the Raspberry Pi 2. I put the head from the Zero onto that, and proceeded to reconfigure everything. My first reaction to it is I like the software. I like the profiles in there, and I'll do another more in-depth video here soon on that. But for now, just kind of a high level here. I got it all configured finally. I'll get into that in a second. But everything seems to work. Only thing left to configure yet is P25. I think I'm missing something. I just don't know what. So I'm working through that yet. The DMR was a pain in the ass. And DMR is a pain in the ass no matter how you spin it. But DMR was a pain in the ass for me. Because I thought I had it all configured. I've done DMR before. But it just would not work. Even just once in a while, the hotspot would recognize it as RF. But it would not get out. Like, what the hell? So I went back to my configurations multiple times. The same day I was working on it. Never do that. A couple days later, I was like, okay, I need to get this working. It's going to drive me crazy. So I went back in, I confirmed the configuration. Oh, my Brandmeister password is missing. What the hell? I know I put that in. But it did not save. So the quirkiness of this hotspot software is that you have all these profiles, which are amazing, but you got to save it. And I did the mistake of thinking it automatically saved without thinking about it. So we, once I got that working, it's working fairly solid. Then I had to do some tweaking on the offset. Another guy helped me with that because it's been a while and I couldn't find my documentation for that hotspot anymore. I should write that down somewhere. But anyway, so we got that all reconfigured and DMR is working fairly well now. Fusion was dirt simple as always. I have a profile for the local net that's over in St. Peter. And then I put in for the Henry Crash Course, so I can just switch back and forth between those fairly quickly. And then on the DMR side, I have Brandmeister set up. I got to double check that I forgot the other DMR mode is also working because I have another club that uses that. So I want to get that working yet, and I just haven't taken the time to dedicate that. So I was trying to figure the DMR stuff, and then I have P25. I've been trying to play with. I'm not quite grasping it yet, but I'm kind of thankful Henry Crash Course has all of it, so I can use that network as the testing bed for everything else. So 7-3 from WX0 and Mike.